Hey everybody, this is Angela Mast with Sierra Pacific Mortgage Company. I am going to show you how to use list reports to create a marketing kit for your listing. When you log into list reports, it will typically take you to this screen. If it doesn't, you can scroll down here and just click Marketing Kits. To create a new marketing kit, you'll go over here, click on New Marketing Kit, and then you'll just enter in your property address. I am going to enter in one of Renee's properties. This property is already sold, but it has everything in it, so I can show you everything that List Reports does. So you enter in the property address here. You can select if it's at an active listing or any of these other ones that you want to market. If you wanted to add a website to your marketing, you can add a website there. You can add your website or Facebook or whatever link you want to add. For the property details, it autofills most of this stuff in, but typically it doesn't enter in the number of stories. So you want to add that in. Property type you can select here. This one's a single family detached. If the price is incorrect, which it shouldn't be because it should be pulling from the MLS, you can change it, and you can change any of this other information in here. You only have a certain number of characters that you can put in for the property description, and sometimes the property description that is on the MLS is a little bit too long, so you can just take out whatever isn't as important and shrink that number of characters down so that it fits in there. And you'll see that it says how many characters you have remaining. There's an optional photo selection where you can select your own photos. So it is pulling in that you have 88 photos on the MLS listing. So it'll pull all those in for you, and you go in here and click select and find the ones that you want to showcase on your marketing. So this one will be what they call the hero image, which is typically the front of the house. And then typically we put in a kitchen or a bathroom or whatever else you think is one of the best features of the house. So I'll just select these real quick, save, and another one in here just to show you how it works. This one's pretty cool. Save. You can add up to 5 photos. You can't do 4. You either have to do 3 or 5. So if you add a 4th one, you'll have to do a 5th one, but you can just stick with 5 if you need to, or whichever you want. And then you can go down here and customize your flyers if you're having an open house or some other promotion or giveaway that you're doing with this house. You can put it in down here. Add open house info, month, day, start time, end time. All that information will pull in. Or like I said, add custom promotional text. You can put that in right here. Also with list reports, they do have color themes in here for you for most of the companies. Renee works for Realty One Group, so we selected this as her make this my default color theme. So anytime she creates a marketing kit on list reports, it always pulls in her colors. If you have any special instructions that you want the creators of your marketing kit to be aware of, you will put that in there and send that off to them. So when you fill this all out, all you have to do is click submit. Sometimes there's errors. Oh, that's because I had this select promotional text in there. So I'll take that out. Click submit. Great news, this report can be expedited, which means it'll literally be finished in minutes because Renee's headshot's already in here. We selected the photos and they found the listing in the records. So you hit expedite. Congratulations. They'll send you an email when it's ready, but it'll also show up in here on your marketing kits. All of your listings will be in here that you've created marketing kits for. So I already created this one before, so we'll go into this one and show you everything that it offers. So this will be what pops up when it's finished creating your marketing for you. So you have your property website. You can view it here. You can share it by clicking the link here, Facebook share, email it to someone, email it to yourself, or put it on Twitter. Share to Facebook, super easy. Click of the link, and once you've already set up your Facebook in your settings, it will easily share to your Facebook link. I have a lot of pages that I manage, so it's pulling up all my other pages, but here's Renee's page. So she would just type in whatever there and click post Facebook, and it would share that for her on Facebook. I'll show you what exactly it shows on Facebook and what this property website is right here. So it's a single property website. It has all the information about the home, all the photos will show here that anybody that sees it on Facebook or anywhere else, you share this link, will see all the photos, explore the area, tells you about what's nearby and the great outdoors, neighborhood eats, schools in your area, all the information they would want to know about the area that the home is located in. They can also play around with the payment information as long as they know the taxes, which you can provide them with, or they can look up online. Homeowners insurance, they can kind of punch in there. Meet your agent, all your information is right here. They can email you with a click of a button. They can go to your website right here. They can put in their name and information, say they want to see the home, they're interested in selling their home. That lead will be sent to you. You'll get notified in an email that you have a lead, and you can go in there and get the information and call that person. We also have Renee is joined with Stephanie. They co-market together for list reports because Stephanie pays for list reports every month and provides it to Renee for free. So Stephanie's information is also on here as the lender. And you can see you can share this to Facebook from there, or like I said, you can share it back here. Open house flyer it creates for you. You can print these out, or you can easily share them on Facebook again. You can download them. There's the infographics that we talked about before that were on the single property website, but you can also print that out separately and email it or share it on Facebook again or anywhere else that you want to share it. There's also an open house sign-in sheet that a lot of our realtors love or used to love when there was a lot of open houses. So this is pretty cool because if you get the names and emails and phone numbers of everybody, you can actually take a snapshot of this and send it into list reports, and they'll put it in a CRM that is housed within list reports for you, and all your contacts that have come to you in list reports are saved in a CRM for you within list reports, so you can market to them easily from list reports, or you can always put it in your CRM that you already have as well. You can create sign riders in here if you want to, postcards, property reports. Here's the property website. All the other flyers are down here as well. There are social media graphics that you can create really easily. I see a lot of people creating these. Just sold graphics on Facebook. I come across these a lot of times. The coming soon Facebook graphics that people make on their own. You can see all you have to do is click this button and they're all created for you to share on Facebook. You're just sold, easily shared on Facebook. You don't have to create this and put it all together. It's already done for you once you create your marketing kit. It's all here for you already created. So that is how you create a marketing kit within Facebook, and you can see that there's a ton of stuff in here. I would go in here and play around with this. If you're interested in having all of your marketing automated and created for you, it is super easy to do, and that will be our first list reports video tutorial. I will make a couple more of these to show you how to utilize the rest of the things that list reports has to offer you, but thanks for watching.